DEK-SHIELD, Engineering Protection for Infrastructure. Since 2001, DEK-SHIELD has been addressing the protection needs of infrastructure, specifically the waterproofing of concrete. Concrete is one of the most widely used materials in construction. Every year, billions of tons are used. It is second only to water in consumption rate. The use of some sort of concrete dates to ancient times. The Egyptians, the Chinese, and the Romans all used some sort of a mixture of a paste with rocks to form a hardened surface. Concrete is made up of aggregate, sand, cement, admixture, water, and air. As concrete cures, it hydrates, which is when the water combines with the cement, causing it to harden. This process creates vulnerable pores in the concrete. These capillary pores will allow water and chemicals into the concrete, which adversely affects the duration of concrete in long term. Two main categories exist in the concrete sealer world: penetrating and topical. First, there are topical sealers that form protective films that adhere to the top of a cementitious surface without any chemical reaction taking place between the coating and the surface. Second, there are penetrating concrete sealers that penetrate the capillaries of a porous cementitious surface, chemically react with it, and then create a new chemical solid that serves as a breathable barrier just below the surface being sealed, but do not coat the top of the surface. Introducing Taurosil, a penetrating concrete sealer. Taurosil is an inorganic product based on modified lithium silicates in an aqueous solution. Taurosil may be applied on any Portland cement concrete element that requires superior protection. Taurosil stabilizes the chemistry of concrete. Spray applied. Taurosil penetrates the concrete capillary pores to waterproof and protect the concrete. The Taurosil penetrates and reacts with free lime, forming insoluble inorganic salts that densify the cement matrix, making it waterproof, resistant to abrasion, and durable. It enhances the resistance to contaminants that contribute to concrete deterioration. The color goes on as a cloudy white and dries clear. There is no odor. It is not flammable. It is not toxic. VOC content is 0. There is no impact on the environment. Taurosil may be applied using a low to medium pressure airless sprayer, complete with an extension wand and a fan tip spray jet. Hold wand and spray 6 inches, 15 centimeters from the surface of the substrate at a 90-degree angle. Apply a thin uniform flood coat. Typical coverage is 40 square feet per liter, depending on density. After the precast concrete ring segments are cast and curing, spray the outer face of the ring segments. This begins the process of the Taurosil penetrating into the pores of the concrete, strengthening the concrete, aiding in the curing process and protecting it from the outside. Once the precast concrete ring segments are in place, forming the tunnel section, spray the inner section with the Taurosil. The application of the Taurosil again penetrates the concrete, creating impenetrable layers both inside and outside. Taurosil can be applied to vertical walls of the shafts and is applied to the vulnerable outside side. The same impenetrable layer of protection is added. DEK-SHIELD, Engineering Infrastructure Solution.